this journey. What are we saying? Making excuses, no. Tell all the people we know we're getting ready to go. It's time. Life is passing by. Any, mini, money, mo. Pick a place and there we'll go. Work this jungle like a pro and learn to laugh.
It works. At the bake with it, it actually, works.
Well, I'm just saying it because of
But over the counters are cheaper though.
Well, they are.
Because I guess they're popular and people know about it that much. Because this pharmacist business, especially in America, they're a rip-off.
It's true though. I mean, I won't.
Healthcare, everything is a rip-off. Like in countries outside of America, it's much cheaper. Healthcare is probably subsidized by the government. I know in Jamaica, healthcare is subsidized by the government, even though it's kind of expensive because of the state of the economy and stuff. Yeah, but like to do certain stuff in Jamaica, like involving like dentistry and stuff like that, it's much cheaper.
Yeah, that is true
and
though.
they're doing the same thing, so.
Yeah, I agree with you.
But that's sad though, that guy, because it's still on my mind, that guy,
What guy?
one of the tattoos and stuff.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh my God, what guy are you talking about? Yeah,
Yeah, I still remember stuff.
he just like walks in and then just starts talking about guns and like shooting people. Like he gets mad.
Yeah, I know he has like an anger problem though.
Yeah, no, well he says he's schizophrenic.
Mhm.
Yeah.
People are crazy. No, but it is true. Like people, you have to keep it real, right? I'm telling Vanny that people that are schizophrenic are crazy people. They're the ones that they're the ones that get the gun and like do the mass shooting and stuff like that, and they kill everybody. And you're like, oh my God, these people. But they are the ones that do it because they're nuts up here and they don't process stuff properly. So, him stating that he has got probably likes you and just want to impress you.
Talking about guns and shooting me? He likes me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I never knew someone can like me that way. Okay.
He's trying to impress you. Probably he thinks you like that type of guy, bad guys and guns and all that.
I like nerds.
Some guys, she like nerds. You see, because I'm a half a nerd, I'm a little child. But she's married. She's married, but yeah. So he might be impressing you, trying to impress you, or well, that's how I feel about it. So
I mean, I wasn't trying to ignore him in a bad way. It was just like try not to make him more mad or whatever.
So is he trying to like have a one-on-one conversation with you?
No, he was like talking to everybody, but he was just looking at me.
Oh.
And like that's when he started talking about guns and then shooting people and stuff like that. I'm like,
oh, that's weird. Like, hey, what's up, Vanny? So I have a Glock 9 and I just killed 2 guys out. That's so weird.
I don't even know how to react to that.
But it's true. Yeah, so it's they're like that.
And then I had a migraine yesterday, so it was even worse.
Yeah, because I just saw you just left,
Yeah.
You just walk out and leave. I was like, where's Vanny? Because I went outside after the break and I was like, probably I'll come and chill with you and stuff, and then, you weren't there. So.
Yeah, it was bad. That's why I wasn't really like talking or anything.
I don't realize. Well, I see she's better now, right? Yeah, she's better now. Oh yeah.
What time is it? I'll check on it.
It's actually 1:21.
Oh, then we're good.
Yeah. But what I'll do though is, like I like to talk to my subscribers and stuff like that, and explain stuff to them. And the reason being is that it's like for clarity and all that. I love to have these conversation and stuff because I'm that type of a person.
Yeah,
I love to have conversation,
like
and it's good.
Friendly. He talks.
Exactly, and it's good. It's good for the vlog and stuff. So it's I try to surround myself with positive people, nice people, and I'm the type of guy who likes female company. I'm used to that. And
I'm sure you are, Mark. I'm sure you are.
What is that supposed to mean?
You're
females, anytime I talk about these females, are always like, oh yeah, I know where you're getting at, but that's not the case. I'm not looking anymore. I know I might come on strong to females sometimes.
What do you mean by that?
Like if I like a female, I'll tell her that I like her. If I want to do something with a female.
So you feel like girls would think you're flirting with them? Is that what you
Yeah, I
mean?
do flirt with females, but you know, it's like I have a friendly personality, so I like to joke a lot, and sometimes I'm joking and sometimes I'm being serious. But some people misunderstand,
Right.
you know, what you're doing at times, and they feel like, hey, you want them, and you know. But if I want a female, I'll go after her, and you know,
You make sure to tell her.
I'll make sure to tell her, and some people misinterpret that. So, me wanting to like surround myself with you or have you around most time, you know, you might think that I actually want a relationship, but in
Yeah.
reality, sometimes I just want the company. I want that friendship. I want that bond where you know I can be comfortable around you and get to know you,
Right.
and not really want to be in a relationship with you.
Yeah.
You know, but some females think that, hey, if you're always around and you're talking to the person, then
No.
they're going
it's
to
not
catch.
always like that.
Yeah, they're going to catch feelings. And the thing is, with vlogging and YouTube and stuff like that, it's good to have people
Yeah.
in vlogs. You know, me being in the vlog alone, it's not that interesting because you have seen me over and over and over again. So being able to interact with people like Vanny, you know, who will, you know, speak her mind and, you know, have a say in everything, is good. It's like real life. We're having a
Yeah.
conversation with just a camera here, which is cool. You know, it's like the camera is not here, so it's just like a normal conversation. And some people can't, you know, fill that void.
Well, yeah, some people are not used to cameras being
Yeah.
there, and they shuts them down, and they don't know how to conversate.
Yeah. But I'm shy. People are
Mark, you are not shy. Where did that even come from?
Listen, I tell people I'm shy. Alright, when it comes to certain stuff, I'm shy. But if I'm comfortable around you, then I'll just be myself. I'll just express myself. I'll talk.
Okay, now that makes sense.
Yeah, but if I don't know you, I won't talk to you. Like I'll observe first because you don't know what people are thinking about.
Yeah.
So, you know, that's just me. But I do talk my mind and I keep it straight. You know, that's just me. So people misunderstand me. But yeah, the point I'm trying to get at is that let me get it straight. Let me get it straight. So the problem I'm having with people that I've met here, let me just put it in the vlog here. That I have with people I met here is that apart from school or outside of school, it's like it's non-existent. Like people don't exist. Yes, people have jobs and stuff like that, but I guess because everyone is new and we're not that close, you know, growing up and stuff like that, you know, people tend to just keep to themselves. They just come to school probably to just get an education and that's it. But for me personally, I believe that you should have friendship, you should have network. Because meeting people that are going somewhere is always good. You know, I'm going into this field, you're going into this field. Who knows? We might merge one day.
Right.
You know, and be able to help out each other. So networking is good. Sharing information is good. Having friendship is good. I value friendship and stuff like that. So being able to come to school and talk to Vanny is really good. But outside of school, we still have a life. And, you know, for me personally, I would like to meet up, you know, hang out, chill, whatever it is, you know, have fun, you know, those meet and greet, just like what I'm used to.
Yeah.
So,
yeah.
people are some of the people that I consider to be my friends, which the list is really short. Over here, it's like they only know me when I'm at school, and I hate that. Yes, I hate it. So, I don't like that where it's only at school that you know me. So I guess what? I stopped texting people. I stopped calling people. I just keep to myself. it's sad because if I'm the type of friend where I'll text you. I'll text you constantly. You know this. I'll check up on you and stuff like that. But you can't always be the one that's doing. You're always doing. You're always being the first person that, you know, it might seem childish or petty, but it's not. You know? Again, everybody have feelings and everybody wants to be loved and treated right. So why don't you make that effort to be a friend then? You know, somebody's reaching out to you. So I was struggling with that like last month, and I decided that, here what, F it, I'm just going to just do me and just be by myself, and that's it. If you want to get to me, you know where I am, you have my number, feel free to call or text me, but someone I'm gonna answer the call, I'm gonna go text, you know, and that's just it. So I'm just making that clear. But yeah, that's my...
Wow, you just made me speechless.
Yeah, that's just... So I just want to get that out there, because I put hints in the vlog where I made a vlog about people being neglectful, and it's not fun, you know, it's not fun, people neglecting you. And I'm not to say that I'm full of myself or, you know, I'm egotistic, but I'm a good guy, I'm a nice person, and when I give myself to somebody, yeah, I expect the same in return. Treat me good like how I treat you good. So that's what I'm expecting of people. If I treat you like a princess, don't treat me like a peasant. Treat me like a prince. You know, it's only fair. It's only fair. So all I'm saying is that if you have friends and you value people, show them that you love them. Show them that, you know, you can be there and you can be around them. So, yeah.
And I agree with you.
Anything you want to add to that?
No, you left me speechless.
Yeah. I know Vanny have our husband, but I need to link with Vanny and go out on some dates and cause some ruckus in a relationship and probably fight her boyfriend, but yeah, I'm just joking.
Yeah, oh my god, I hope he doesn't see. You're gonna be in so much trouble, Mark.
I don't think you watch him out. Vanny and I are just friends, so don't go for your gun and shoot me.
Oh my god,
stuff.
no more guns.
No more guns. Alright, so we're old people. We're heading to class now. Thanks for watching. You know, I really appreciate it. Vanny. They love you. They like to see you in the vlog, you know. So.
Well, I try to be in them more often.
Yeah.
No promises.
No promises.
But I'll try.
She'll try. Alright, so see you later, guys. JVLOGS.